So hello नमस्कार to the all chemistry lovers, doctors and engineers of the near future. मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल regarding to your chemistry. In previous video we have discussed about the a lot of concentration units such as just mass percentage. Regarding to further we have discussed volume percentage, mass volume percentage, molarity, just your molality and normality. Today we'll go with the seventh concentration unit, that is your formality. It's not generally used because of there's a small number of the questions regarding to it, but it is necessary to know about the this kind of the concentration unit. So the concentration unit is your formality. It is denoted by capital F. You will say just total gram formula of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called as just your formality. If we'll go with the formula, then F is equals to, you can say, gram formula of solute upon, this is the volume of solution. If we'll go with the just gram formula, then we can say here is the gram formula is equals to, you can say, mass of solute, and this is the formula mass of solute. This will be in the gram also. So whenever we'll keep the value over here, then the formula will be your F is equals to, this is the mass of solute in gram upon, this is the formula mass of solute, and this is the volume of solution. This will be in liter. This will also liter. So this was about the just formula of the formality. If we'll go with the temperature and unit, then unit of F is equals to gram formula per liter is the unit. If we'll go with the temperature, then on increasing temperature, just here is the volume is also increases, so formality of the solution decreases. This was regarding to your formula. Remember one thing, important thing is your ये particular concentration unit is used for the ionic compound. Ionic compounds के लिए यूज करते थे, for just you can say NaCl, NaHSO3, just you can say KCl, etc. But nowadays हम इसका यूज नहीं करते हैं इस कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट का. मोलैरिटी और नॉर्मेलिटी ही सफिशिएंट होते बिकॉज ऑफ मोलर मास और फॉर्मूला मास यहाँ सेम होगा. NaCl के लिए जस्ट सोडियम 35.5, इट विल बी जस्ट योर 58.5, और फॉर्मूला मास के साथ साथ पर्टिकुलर मोलर मास भी सेम 58 है, तो वहां फॉर्मेलिटी और मोलैरिटी में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता. बट स्पेसिफिक थिंग क्या है, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के लिए इस कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट का यूज करते हैं. Why? Because of, if we'll go suppose with the carboxylic acid, then as an example we can take CH3COOH. This is the ethanoic acid. और इथेनोइक एसिड की अगर मैं बात करूं तो यहां पर्टिकुलर इथेनोइक एसिड में 2 मॉलिक्यूल, यानी कि कोई भी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड पर्टिकुलर यहां इंटरमोलिकुलर H बॉन्डिंग के थ्रू डेल माइनस और डेल प्लस, दिस इज द डेल प्लस एंड दिस इज द डेल माइनस, here will formation of dimer का formation कर लेते हैं. So now its molecular mass your just 60 unit, because of carbon is 24, 4 for hydrogen and 32 for the oxygen, that is your 60. But here it will use of formula mass, and formula mass will be used for the entire unit, and here's the dimer, so it will be taken as a 2 into 60, that is your 120 unit. This will be as a formula mass. So remember one thing, this kind of the concentration unit is used for the this carboxylic acid. Now the time to discuss about the further. If formality similar is your F by 2, F by 5, F by 10, F by 100, and this is the F by 1000. Then this is called as formal solution. This is called as semi-formal solution. This is called as penti-formal solution. This is called as same deciformal solution. This is your centi-formal solution, and this is called as milli-formal solution. So this was about the entire part of the formality. Now the time to discuss about the some questions regarding to your formality, and after then we'll go with the next concentration unit, that is your, you can say, mole fraction. So here we'll take the question regarding to formality. This is the question. You can say 12 gram of ethanoic acid, or you can say acetic acid, dissolved in, you can say, 2 liter of solution. Calculate formality of solution. Formality. If we'll go with the solution of this question, then we can take, this is the solution, here is the formality. So F is equals to mass of solute is your 12 gram. Here we are going to take just CS3COOH. It exists 60 as a molecular mass and 120 as a, you can say, formula mass. This is the formula mass, that is your 120. So here we'll use 120. Volume of solution is your 2 liter. On dividing, it will be just your 10 times. It will be your 1 by 20. You can say it is also called as F by 20, solution of ethanoic acid, and just value will be 1 by 20 means decimal will carry 0, it will be 5F. Yeah, you can say 0.05 gram formula per liter is the unit of the solution. This was about the formality. Now I would like to go with the just next concentration unit, that is your as the 8th concentration unit. You can say mole fraction. Mole fraction. This is very important for this chapter also. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय x, इसको x से डिनोट करेंगे। मोल फ्रैक्शन है क्या? सपोज दिस इज द ए सब्सटेंस और ये बी सब्सटेंस, इन दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया, देन हियर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर। यहां मिक्सचर का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा आपके पास में, नो डाउट। अगर ए कंपोनेंट के मोल्स को हम अज्यूम कर लें Na और बी कंपोनेंट के मोल्स को हम अज्यूम कर लें Nb, तो आपके पास में XA मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए क्या होगा? दिस विल बी मोल्स ऑफ ए अपॉन total moles of mixture Na plus Nb, and if we'll go with the just mole fraction of B, then we can take total moles of B upon total moles of mixture. So what can I say? Just it's a ratio of total moles of particular component and total moles of mixture. So we can say ratio of total moles of solute या moles of particular component and total moles of mixture is called a just mole fraction. Remember one thing, here is the mole, we can calculate by giving, just by using formula, given mass of solute, we have discussed in previous also, upon its molar mass. This is the molar mass, and this was about the just mole fraction. Remember one thing, the total sum of mole fraction of all component will always run how? XA is equals to, this is your, you can say Na upon Na plus Nb. Here is the plus, this is the XB, means Nb upon Na plus Nb. LCM is your, just you can say, here LCM is your Na plus Nb, here is your Na plus Nb, remains cancelled, so it will be 1. That's why we are using here always XA plus XB is equals to 1. This was about the mole fraction. Now I would like to go with the question also. So let's see properly. There is the question, what is that? Suppose there are, you can say question is your 36 gram H2O, just you can say 40 gram NaOH, and you can say 34 gram NH3 ammonia are present in a mixture. Calculate mole fraction of each component. Here are the just H2O, NaOH and NH3. First of all, regarding to the question, we have to calculate the moles. So moles of H2O will be given mass 36, molar mass is your 18, so here will be 2 moles. If we go with the just NaOH, N of NaOH, this is the 40, molar mass of the NaOH is also 40, that is your 1. You can calculate by using the formula NaOH, this is the 23, this is the 16, this is the 1, so it will be 40. Now moles of your NH3, N of NH3, it's your 34, NH3 14 plus 3, that is your 17, total moles is your 2. Here's the 1 mole, here's the 2 mole. Now the time to discuss about the just mole fraction. So if we'll go with the just mole fraction of H2O, then it will be N of H2O upon N of H2O plus N of NaOH plus N of your NH3. These are the 3. Value of H2O is your 2 molecules, 2 moles you can say, and total moles is your 2 plus 1 plus 2. This is the 2 upon 5. Could I say 0.4, or you can use also just your 2 upon 5 also. Now I would like to go with the X of your NaOH. So we can say the formula will be N of NaOH upon N of, you can say, S2 plus N of NaOH plus N of NH3. Value is your, this is the 1, this is the 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is your 1 upon 5, means it is your 0.2, the mole fraction of NaOH. Now the time to discuss about the X of NH3. This is the N of NH3 upon N of, you can say, S2O. This is the N of NaOH and this is the N of NH3. So this is the value. Moles of NH3 is 2. This is the 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is your 2 upon 5. Again its value is 0.4. So this was about the just mole fraction, and total sum of just mole fraction 0.4, 0.2, 0.6, and this is the 0.4, again 1.0, that is the XA plus XB is equals to 1. So this was about the mole fraction. Now the time to discuss about the ninth concentration unit as a ppm, parts per million. This is the ninth concentration unit as a parts per million. This is the ninth concentration unit as a ppm or ppb. First of all, we'll take ppm. This is the ninth concentration unit, parts per million. Parts per million. It is called as ppm. Parts per million. This is the most important. Million means 10 is power 6. So you can say 10 lakh also. So you will say total parts of solute dissolved in 10 is power 6 parts of solution, that is called as just your parts per million. We can show it by using ppm as a mass of solute in gram upon mass of solution in gram into 10 is power 6, or this may in the form of volume also. ppm is equals to volume of solute in ml upon volume of solution, it is also in ml, and it will be 10 is power 6. This was regarding to your parts per million. If we'll go with the another, then we can take regarding to ppm We can take another concentration unit, that is your ppb. It is also called as parts per billion. ppb means you can say 10 is power 9 also. So you will say total parts of solute dissolved in 10 is power 9 parts of solution called as, you can say ppb. ppb, parts per billion. If we'll go with the formula, then we can take just ppb is equals to mass of solute, that is in gram, upon mass of solution, that is also in gram, into 10 is power 9. Or you can denote it by using the volume also. So ppb is equals to, this is the volume of solute in ml. This is the volume of solution, it is also in ml, 10 is power 9. Remember one thing, this kind of the concentration unit is used for the, this kind of concentration unit is used when there is very low amount of solute in solution. पर्टिकुलर इस टाइप की कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट का तब यूज करते हैं जब सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन में बहुत कम अमाउंट पे डिसॉल्व हो. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन से हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर, दिस इज द हार्डनेस ऑफ water, this is the second, just you can say volume of O2 and CO2 in water. If you will go with the third, you can say concentration of fluoride ion in water. And if you will go with the concentration of Cl2 in water, means Cl2 is used as a disinfectant for the water. So these are the just way when we can use ppm or ppb as an important part, parts per million and parts per billion. So, doctors and engineers, we have discussed about the just all the concentration units regarding to your, just you can say mass percentage, volume percentage, mass volume percentage, molality, just normality, formality, and just mole fraction, and you can say parts per million and parts per billion. This was about the concentration unit. In the next video, I will take a lot of questions regarding to these concentration units and important topics regarding to concentration units, as a how we can change the molality in molality, how we can change molality in molarity, so on. Till then, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. इसी तरह से अपना प्यार देते रहिए, सब्सक्रिप्शन और शेयरिंग कंटिन्यू रखिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.